Yes.
As we know, the charges have been amended, and we were informed by that. The media was informed about that by the press secretary of the investigation committee, Kim Andare. They added two more corpus delicti. They added 296, third part, second and third bullet point, which assumes abuse of power or official position or use influence for big scale money laundering. Which leads us to the question, what power official powers did Samuel Karapetyan have in order to be the target of such a...
These charges were made in Disneyland. I have no idea. No one has any idea. I mean, literally Disneyland charges. They understand well that they have no credibility on the charges relating to overthrowing the government, and that they look pathetic. And because Mr. Karapetyan is a businessman, they want to throw the words money laundering without any substance. I mean, if you actually look at it, and we're just beginning to look at it, laughable is too high a standard. But the important thing to understand is that the government is trying to taint the reputation of Karapetyan. And they are doing it because they are fearful of the election, the popularity of the Prime Minister is similar to the temperature of Ottawa in winter. And he is doing whatever he can. I work all over the world. I have represented opposition parties in Uganda. Right now, I represent the opposition in Tanzania. And I think the Tanzanians would be embarrassed by the Karapetyan case. Especially to attack a man mourning his father, who came for the purpose of a religious event. Just below common decency. The presidential administration should hang their head in shame. But again, acting in a manner below what one would expect in the worst of African countries. His chief of staff, when I requested a dialogue, responded in a manner I've never seen in 45 years of practice. So I'm really not sure what the government believes it is accomplishing. But it has to stop. For the sake of Armenia, for the sake of Armenia's entry into the European Union,
Հանուն Հայաստանի Եվրամիության անդամակցության
for the sake of Armenia's ability to get the hostages out of Azerbaijan,
հանուն Հայաստանի ունակության Ադրբեջանից ազատելու պատանդներին
the persecution of Christians for their religious beliefs
Քրիստոնյաներին հետապնդում են իրենց կրոնական դավանանքի
in Armenia,
Հայաստանում,
the home of the first church of Christ.
որը Քրիստոսի առաջ եկեղեցու փաստորեն տունն է։
Unfathomable.
Չեմ կարողանում ընդգրկել այս ամեն ինչը։
Any other questions?
Ուրիշ հասկա։
You mentioned that down the road you will apply to the ECTHR or other international trials, which assumes that you have not yet.
No. There have been.
So have you already scored in exposing it to the international community, and what do you expect by way of official response